Hello and welcome to sunny Melbourne, Florida. It's a beautiful 70 degrees today and it's February, right? Anyway, we got a 1972 Chevy truck out today. It's a K10 model, four-wheel drive, medium blue metallic with a white sides, wood grain interior. It's got some body cladding, a lot of chrome. This is one that was just coming out for a routine maintenance, and lo and behold, we got a little deeper and it needed a whole heck of a lot more. The motor, the transmission, the transfer case, the drive shafts, the fluid lines, brake, fuel, all of it had to come out. We sent the engine down to Performance Unlimited and they said it was gone. So we got a different engine for it, a better carburetor. Sent the transmission transfer case out to Dewey's Transmission here locally as well. Got all that stuff rebuilt. In the process, took the whole truck apart, cleaned up the frame, and put new lines on it. New brake lines, new fuel lines, new master cylinder, new booster. Pretty much name it, we did it. The interior's in pretty good shape. Checked everything out, made sure it was fine. We got everything back. Engine was good to go, so we put it in. We got all the drivetrain put together, had the drive shafts themselves rebuilt as well. And as always, every one of these vehicles are completely drivable 100% of the time. On this one, we don't have to worry too much about the mileage. It's just a shade under 10,000. So we can actually drive this one a little more and actually get the engine broke in, get everything squared away so we find out if there's any leaks or whatnot. But other than that, that's pretty much the 72 K10 pickup. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.